Hello and welcome to e-GMAT. We will solve question number 102 of OG Verbal second edition by using e-GMAT three-step process. In the first step, we will understand the meaning of the sentence. In the second, we will evaluate the errors in the sentence, and finally, we will review all the answer choices to get to the correct answer. So let's begin. As business grows more complex, students majoring in specialized areas like those of finance and marketing have been becoming increasingly successful in the job market. This sentence presents a few facts. It says that business is growing more complex with each passing day. Therefore, the students who major in specialized areas such as finance and marketing are becoming increasingly successful in the job. Let us now evaluate the errors by splitting this sentence into its clauses. So here comes the first clause. As business grows more complex, here business is the subject and grows is the verb. After complex, we have another subject-verb pair, which means we have another clause here that reads, students majoring in specialized areas like those of finance and marketing have been becoming increasingly successful in the job market. Here students is the subject and have been becoming is the verb. Now use of like to cite examples is incorrect. Such as must be used and not like to present examples. So we have idiom error here. The use of this phrase like those of seems to present a comparison in the sentence. Also, the growing complexity in business is an action that happens in present time frame. The use of as indicates simultaneous actions. As event 1 happens, event 2 happens. Thus, if event 1 is in present time frame, event 2 should also be in present time frame. Hence, use of have been becoming is incorrect since it denotes an action that started sometime in the past. This should be changed to are becoming because the students with specialization are getting successful in the present day business. So we have verb tense error here. Also notice that majoring is not a verb here because it is not preceded by any helping verb such as was, were, am, is, are. Majoring is a verb ing modifier that is modifying students, meaning students who major in specialized areas. Now let us run the POE to find out which answer choice corrects this verb tense error and the idiom error in this sentence. Well, choice A certainly does not, as we found out just now. Choice B is the correct answer because it rectifies the idiom error by replacing like with such as and by replacing have been becoming with are becoming. So choice B is the correct answer. Let's take a look at choice C now. Well, choice C is incorrect because the who clause should be written in simple present tense because students still do specialization in the set subjects. Use of past tense majored is incorrect in this choice. Also, the phrase those of is unnecessary. Finance and marketing are the example of specialized areas which have already been mentioned in the sentence. So these two errors make choice C incorrect. Choice D is also incorrect because it repeats the same errors as in choice A. Choice E is incorrect because it repeats the same verb tense error that we found in choice C. So choice B is the correct answer as we found earlier. Let's take a look at the takeaway messages. We must use correct verb tense to denote the correct timeline of the events in the sentence. Also, we must use such as to present examples and not like. The concepts tested in this sentence have been covered in e-GMAT concepts level 1 verbs 1 and 2 and level 1 idioms standard expressions.